So for those of the listeners who aren't familiar, big data generally is what NOAA is about.
Right.
Everything from generating a weather forecast to assessing the health of a fishery. It's all about data. All of our products are data products.
Right.
Some of the places where the data is the largest and where we're making the most recent progress in big data are probably in our satellites and in our high-performance computing.
Mm-hmm.
So the next generation of satellite GOES-R on schedule for going up in the next year. GOES-R will increase the amount of data coming from geostationary orbiting environmental satellites
Mm-hmm.
by 7 times.
Oh, wow.
And we're going to be needing to move around that data. We're going to be needing to process that data. And so we're putting in place the networks to do so. One of the networks we have is called NWave. It is currently a 10 gigabyte speed network nationwide. We have now plans to upgrade it to 40 gigabytes.
Mm-hmm.
It moves around our research supercomputing data, our operational supercomputing data, and our satellite data. So we have that happening. And then in the high-performance computing side, thanks to the Congress's reaction to Hurricane Sandy,
Mm-hmm.
where they chose to increase our computing capacity so that we could increase, and they also funded explicit research in hurricane forecast improvement.
Okay.
We've been able to make substantial improvements in the capacity for high-performance computing. So one of the increases is that next September we'll be upgrading, we've just awarded the contracts recently, and by next September, our operational supercomputing will be at 5 petaflops.
Wow.
Nationwide. A recent increase we made to our operational supercomputer back in the winter allowed us to, this is a little bit geeky, but allowed us to get our global forecast system resolution down to, or up to, down to 13 kilometers.
Oh, wow.
So each forecast point covers only a 13-kilometer square area. And that was a big deal in the meteorological community. It resulted in the most accurate snow forecast ever. We got the Boston forecast within under an inch.
Oh, wow.
The snow event that occurred recently. Most important, I'm going to get jingoistic here, for Team America, we beat the Europeans, which is important. And on the R&D side, we're currently at 2.7 petaflops. We just accepted our most recent supercomputer. Her name is Thea.
Okay.
I looked at her yesterday in West Virginia.
Okay.
She looks really nice.
Okay.
And she was a three times increase over her predecessor Zeus. And last, and I'm going to be quiet. Last, and I'll talk about it more later. I think we're making really good progress on the big data partnership.
Okay, good.
Which is open data applied to big data.
Wow.